Alright, well, you asked what's in my toolbox, so hang on, I gotta grab my ashtray. So I'm not gonna go into detail on it, but I'll show you what's in my toolbox. Give me a minute to turn on the light. Here's the only actual toolbox in here. We do have some cabinets which contain tools. Our big cabinet over there. But yeah, so here's what's in my toolbox. Yeah, I actually have an empty drawer. I was not aware of that. What you find when you're doing stuff for YouTube? Allen wrenches, vice grips, testing meter, pliers, screwdrivers, wrenches, some more big wrenches. Yeah, these are Manly Man wrenches right here. This is what, 1 5/16 inch. Yeah, and some pneumatic tools, small ratchets, 1/4 inch ratchets, marking drawer. I think these are impact sockets. Yeah, this is impact stuff. Definitely empty. Assorted. Compression tester. Internal snap ring plier. And some more sockets. Pipe wrenches, crowbars, and files. Hammers and stuff. And then assorted larger tools. I consider this part of the toolbox, even though it's not technically. Paperwork, hoses and assorted, glue and stuff, sandpaper, and assorted again. This is parts. Oh, it's hard one to get back in. Tape, assorted shit. Vacuum parts, and this is one of our random drawers. There's a lot of random drawers, and of course all the random stuff on the tool bench. Ford Bronco, hell yeah, good vehicle. Oils and stuff, and lubing stuff. And then this is what I call the fun cabinet. This contains all the big tools, our parts bins, our cleaning supplies, and our heavy duty cleaners. So that's what's in my toolbox. Post a video of what's in your toolbox. I'd like to know. I'll talk to you guys later.